Last year, myself and over 150 organisations from over 50 countries in the world came together to create the world's first Global Citizens Assembly, the COP26. The Global Citizens Assembly consisted of two components: a core assembly, which was 100 citizens randomly selected from anywhere across the world, which is a true and accurate reflection of the global population, and community assemblies, which anyone, anywhere themselves could run. And what we're doing is we're creating a new infrastructure for global governance, because it's clear, in order to meet the climate crisis and many of the crises we're facing today, we need new forms of governance infrastructure. The reason I'm standing here in front of the UK Houses of Parliament, which started being used properly 300 years ago when they converted St Stephen's Chapel into a chamber for governance, is that it's obvious that these beautiful buildings are archaic infrastructure for the kinds of complex decisions we face today. If you want to meet the challenge of climate change, or pandemics, or the many other global crises we face, we all are implicated. We have to change our behaviour. We have to rise up and demand more ambitious policies. And we know that citizens' assemblies, this movement from across the world, are coming out with better policies, are overcoming polarisation, are creating deep love and connection between diverse people from across the world. And if you look at the recent IPCC reports, it said, in order to stop the worst effects of climate change, we need to bring together diverse, ordinary people from across the world, both to activate them in terms of the solutions, but also to ensure we don't have the polarisation which would create the worst effects of climate change. Unfortunately, these buildings behind me have become synonymous with polarisation. They made sense, they were a wonderful innovation 300 years ago, but today many people think they're part of the problem. The Global Assembly is an innovation to create a new infrastructure to meet the global challenges we face, where people, ordinary people like you and me and everyone else, can be right at the front of decision making. Look at our website, globalassembly.org, and see how you can become part of building this movement for global people power. Thank you.